Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to tonight's session of Ask Zak. Now, this week we're kicking off our game week, and it's not a board game we're talking about. We're talking about the wildlife out there and the farmers that farm with game. Now, very important, you'll see when you get into Alzu branch, there are quite a few different types of game feed out there. So for some of you that's not familiar with it, our first question would be, why do we feed game? Now, if we look at the game industry, it is as intensive and as important as any other farming practice. Without game, we've got our hunters, we've got our tourists, everybody wanting to come and view or hunt our game. So very important, we want to keep our animals healthy. Now, if you listen to most of our sessions, when we talk about our cattle feeding, we're talking about the South African veld. You would know when we talk about our veld, especially in the winter months, our nutritional value falls incredibly. Here in the high veld, we're talking about a protein value in the summer of roughly 20%, to in the winter months it falls down as far low as 3%. So you can, if you listen to that, you know your animals are going to run into deficiencies. And that is why we supplement with a feed. The feed is not there to replace good grazing. Remember that everybody comes to us and they think the feed is the golden bullet. No. Pasture management, good quality hay is the most important thing when it comes to farming. Not just game farming. It doesn't matter what kind of farming you have. Your ruminants need good grass. Remember, any feed is just there to address shortages in your veld. As I mentioned, protein values in the winter fall drastically, but we need to take into account that our mineral content and trace elements also diminish during the winter months. So our feed is there to make sure our animals get those nutrients to keep them healthy. Another thing that we always put into most of our feeds is something we call selenium. Now, selenium plays a big role when it comes down to our animals' fertility. When you are a game breeder, of course, fertility is very important to you, because increased conception rates and bigger lambs and rams and calves bring in more money at the end of the day. So that is a few of the very important points why we give our animals feed, especially game feed. Now, we've got quite a few ranges when it comes down to our game feed. We start off, when you enter a branch, you're going to hear the terms of GP100, GP160 and GP Super. Now, that's just our lingo. For GP100 is a 10% protein for our grazers. So you're going to give it to your buffaloes, any animal that grazes off the grass. They go well with our 10% GP100. The next thing is, of course, our GP160. Now, the GP160 is more aimed at our browsers, animals like kudus, of course, that you see eat the leaves of the trees. It is formulated to keep them very healthy. Next product that we usually talk about is our GP Super. Now, as the name says, it is more aimed at our high production farmers or our exotic farmers. Farmers that breed, that is more intensive, that need to take care of those animals' nutritional requirements on a much higher level than the normal ones does. So we've got high levels of selenium, of course, that we mentioned with fertility. We look at our mineral composition for better horn growth, better calving rates, better lambing rates, and at the end of the day, that means money for you as a game farmer. So game can get very technical, and that's why we've got a technical team out there in the field. We are there to assist you. We're here to help you. So any advice when it comes down to your feeding of your game, our technical team is just a phone call away. So pay a visit to your nearest Alzu one-stop shop and get your nearest technical advisor's number. Now, a technical advisor, as the name says, we're there to give you technical advice. We've got a lot of knowledge when it comes to your game, how to farm effectively and how to increase your production rates. So get the number there, and of course, here on Ask Zak, tune in next week, same time, same place. Have a good evening.